bro, nice jersey ya bro.
Hey, thanks bro.
Kenapa fan Southampton eh?
Ya tu.
Fan Southampton?
Ya.
Oh, rare ni.
Rare. Sebab dulu saya ada nak belajar kat sana for a few years jugalah.
I see.
Yeah, so after a few years went to see one game and then
Jatuh cinta.
jatuh cinta jugalah. So at that time pun masa tengok match tu I couldn't get a jersey sebab I had to go back sebab COVID.
2019.
Yeah.
Ah,
So
okay.
stumble upon this and bought it myself.
Oh,
So-
kiranya beli ni after COVID.
Yeah,
And
betul.
then sebab the sense of belonging lah.
Yeah.
Oh, ni
Sentimental
tahun bila,
value. 2014, 2015.
Oh, baru 2014 ya. Ya, time tu Mane ada lagi
Betul.
Last
Surprisingly.
season. Sadio Mane yang baru menang African Cup of Nations.
Ya, betul.
Tapi fans Southampton lah.
Betul.
Oh, okay. That time siapa your favourite player time tu?
Kalau ikutkan
Shenlong? Tak ada. Shenlong time tu.
Townsend ada ke?
Townsend.
Townsend.
Andreas Townsend.
Ya.
Oh, I pun kena sebab Southampton dia rare.
Yeah. Tapi I think it's a very underrated club because they had previous good players macam some people don't know macam Alan Shearer also started there.
Oh yelah.
Alan Shearer,
Shearer.
Bale.
Gareth Bale, yes, Gareth Bale.
And then Luke Shaw also.
Oh yelah.
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 A lot of people from there actually.
Sebab I notice dulu Liverpool pernah banyak beli player from Southampton.
Betul.
Lallana,
Yes, betul.
Lovren.
Yeah. A lot of Liverpool from there. Yeah.
Very small world lah.
Yes.
You are from Southampton lah. Kalau tak COVID, you dah dah sana lah.
Yup. We would have like considered working there also.
Oh.
Yeah. But
How
sadly,
young are you?
Saya sekarang 36.
26.
Yes.
Kalau tak dah kat sana lah.
Betul. But life as it is kan.
Okay, thank you bro.
Okay.
Alright.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
That's it.